As a local Glasgow roofer, did you know that there are people in your area that are looking for you right now, but they can't find you? Unfortunately, you're missing out on their business and losing money because of it. That's right, every single day people in the Glasgow area use the internet to find local shops, services and products that they need, including roofers. And if you don't have an effective online presence, then you're missing out on their business. Look, the days are gone when traditional advertising like yellow pages and print adverts were enough to bring new customers in and old ones coming back. In today's world, your business must be using the internet to reach more customers and clients and to stay competitive and profitable. So you may be wondering, what is an effective online presence? Well, in order to bring in new roofing customers on a regular basis, you should start taking advantage of online marketing strategies such as a website for your business that brings new customers to you, top positions in the search engines that generate new customers and clients for free, a Google Places listing so that potential customers and clients can find your contact details, even your address and directions to get there, a business page on Facebook to generate local buzz about your services, a mobile version of your website so people using iPhones and other mobile devices can look you up, an online customer follow-up and retention system so your customers and clients are encouraged to come back and do business with you again and again. As a local roofer, these are just some of the powerful online strategies available for you to use to boost your sales and profits. Best of all, these strategies can provide a much higher return on your investment than traditional marketing methods. We'd really like to show you how to apply methods like these and start improving your bottom line right away. As online marketing experts right here in Glasgow and local business owners ourselves, we'd like to do our part in helping the local economy. With this in mind, we'd like to invite you to contact us for a free, no obligation consultation. We look forward to helping you, our local Glasgow roofer, generate more clients and increase your revenue.